Hello viewers, in today's video, we are going to dive into drawing fun, bold and creative bubble letters A to H. Whether you are a beginner or just looking to improve your lettering style, this video has got you covered. Here I have my pencil and my meter rule. So without much ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, we start with our A. Okay, I will make a line first. I will make a line. This line will guide my drawing. A straight line that will help to guide my drawing. While drawing my line, I try as much as possible to make it straight. As you can see, I'm not shaking my hands. Now let's start the main drawing of the bubble letter. Let's start with A. Let's start with A. This is A. You can see how very careful I'm doing this. My intention is to make a very perfect drawing. So I'm being very careful and intentional in my drawing so as to not make any mistakes. This is B. This is the letter B. The next one would be C. This is C. The next one will be D. The next one will be the letter D. I don't want any mistake in this drawing. So that's why I'm taking it very easy and carefully. This is the letter D. You can see the small dots. So the next thing we have over here will be E, the letter E. The letter E. You can see what I'm doing here. This is how we draw the letter E in bubble letters. The next will be F. You can see that my drawing is making sense from the way I am being very carefully, intentional, artistic, trying as much possible not to make mistakes. This is F. You can see what I'm doing here. The next letter will be G. The next letter will be G. The next letter will be G. You can see what I'm doing here. I can't afford to make mistakes. So that's how you can see me being so careful in my drawing movements. This is G. The next one will be H. H. You stop it here. You stop it here. You can see what I'm doing. And this is H for you. can see what I have done. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and the H.